Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you how to unclog the drain. I want to show you that this is what we got, and we put the last time all gallon, even though it says you have to put only 2 cups, and it didn't work. So I bought this machine. This is a manual hand machine that you can pull it and you can go in a drain. So this is the kitchen that I showed you. The sink is inside, and here we have outside the main place that you can open it and take care of it. And I'm going to open this, and then I'm going to show you how it works with machine, because usually when the plumbers comes they cost you arm and a leg, but while I bought the machine, it's much cheaper for me to take care of it myself, and it does very good job. Okay, I got the sledgehammer. I'm going to put my gloves. Usually you have to wear rubber gloves. On top of it, another glove. And this is the on and off machine. And then there is a step thing over here that you have to step on it. And every time I push it, the snake will come out much easier. All right, we're gonna push in. I think it's 50 feet long, it is. So we have to empty all those wires to go in. All right, I think we're almost finished. All right, I think it's done. Now we're gonna back it up. All right, now I'm gonna stop this. Let me turn this off. All right. And now I'm pulling, I'm reversing. I'm bringing back to the machine. While we are pulling, we have to be very careful that not to pull too much so it doesn't twist the wire. Because it's manual, you have to pull it yourself. Because you can use this machine anytime you want. We're gonna see how it's gonna do the work. All right. Getting closer. What it's doing, the machine is twisting inside all the wire. There we go. All right, now that it's done, what we are going to do, we're going to open the water and we're going to see what's going to come in, and then we're going to close it and we're going to check our sink, and we'll see how it's going to work. The machine, what it does, it twists, it turns inside and it pushes the dirt away. Sometimes if it's full of hair or something like this, it twists on a machine and it brings it out. So it looks like the dirt or the fat, the oil, whatever it is, the calcium and everything, it was plugged on the sink and it plugged it. So now we're going to open the water, we're going to let it run outside a little bit, and then we're going to close it and we're going to try our sink to see how it's working. I'm going to go inside. While it looks like the water it's running, it means it's going away. It's not filling. When it fills and it comes back to us, it means still it's dirty. The water is running and going down. But if it was really, the dirt was still there, the water would have poured over. Now we're going to close the hole. Now I'm going to close this thing. All right. Now I'm going to put this thing. It's a little work, but I have to tell you, it's worth it to do it yourself. Now I'll go open the faucet and I will check inside to see how the water is running. All right, now we're going to open the sink and we're going to see how the water is running. If it's flooding or it's going, we'll find out. I think the water is running very well. Here it is. I think it's doing a very good job. Now we don't have to play with it anymore. I think it's good to have a machine and try to do the job. Just that we spend the money, but it's worth it for us, because instant to call plumber, it will cost us double, triple every time we need help. So this is the best way to do it. It's easy, it's not hard. All we need a little bit strength. You can call your husband, your kids, and they will help you to open it. Well, thank you very much again, and I hope you'll try this, and if you like the job, you'll do the same. And I thank you again. Please subscribe and like my channel, and I thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.